What's up, guys? Tech Mentor here today. Today I got another unboxing of a cool device. I mean, this is a microphone, a desktop microphone for podcasting, conference. Like you're having a meeting with somebody, you can just put on the table, record via your computer. I think. Yes. Yes. So let's just go straight to the unboxing. Enough of talking. Let's see what the microphone does look like. This is a very affordable microphone from Amazon. I think 59, not more than 70 pounds or 60 pounds when they posted and packaging, maybe 65 pounds. So let's open it up. Let's see what do we have in the box. Wow, it came with this case. This is nice. I like this. Anything on the side, just the specification. Yeah, mostly you use this microphone with your computer or your desktop, like anything, and I suppose you can use it with your tablet too, like an iPad also, but if you're going to use it with any Apple product, you need to have the connector, the lightning connector to USB. I suppose it's going to be a USB microphone. I'm pretty sure about it. It's going to be USB connector. So let's see. If you open the box up, this is what you get. Nice, isn't it? So see what's here. Happy is a card, like thank you card. Put that aside. What do we have here? Okay, this is the instruction manual how to set up your microphone. I think it should be pretty easy. It's plug and play. So just connect it to your computer. Once your computer detects it, you can just set your default microphone to this microphone. It's called Uhuru. Yeah, Uhuru mic. So let's bring out the bead and the pieces. Use the form. It's a little bit kind of mushy up. Okay. This is the cable. USB cable that's gonna power the microphone. So let's bring out everything. I'm gonna set it up now. So that's the microphone. What else do we have in the box? Condenser, sure. Whoa, everything for 60 pounds. Everything for 60 quid. This is very heavy. So this is the stand. Okay. So judging by the picture, I should be able to figure this out. I've not had this kind of product before, never. So judging by the picture here, I should be able to figure this out. All right, all set up now. To be honest, it does feel solid. I like the build quality. It doesn't look that price. It looks like a premium device, a piece of device. I like it. I like the feel, the look, but it's just about the exterior. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna put this microphone connected to my computer. I want to test this microphone. I'm gonna be testing it in two different ways. I'm gonna test it to record exterior and internally. So what I'm gonna do now, connect my laptop to this microphone, power it up, set it up, then see how it does work with the laptop. If I have enough time, I'll be playing games with this microphone, I'm a gamer, if you don't know. I like playing games a lot. And on my gaming PC, I haven't got a microphone on it. So this came very handy. So, yeah, I like to talk to people who are playing games, like my opponent. I like FIFA games. So I'm going to try that too if I have enough time. So let's see how this microphone will record. It's not like picking my voice from this distance. And yeah. So what this kind of microphone is good for, you sure know, it's a desktop microphone, and then it's good for a podcast, like or when you have a kind of an interview, you want to interview somebody and just in a small studio, you're trying to adapt your flat or your room for a studio. If you have this kind of microphone on the table, I think it's going to be able to pick everybody, even if you're sitting around the round table, sitting around. Even if you're sitting around the round table, it's going to pick everybody according to the specification, the spreadsheet. We are here to try this out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to record. Currently, I'm recording with my computer right now. So all this audio is coming from the microphone because that's what I'm doing now. So all the audio now, you're listening to this audio directly from the microphone because I've connected the microphone to the computer and then I'm recording via my laptop. So what I want to do next, I want to see how this microphone does pick sounds, like unfortunately I haven't got the adapter for the iPad. I would have loved to try this, connect the adapter to the iPad and record from the iPad. So well, if you have the adapter, you should be able to do that. Any Android tablet, you should be able to do that. USB to standard micro USB. For the Apple, you have to use the lightning cable to USB. It's a universal microphone, so it's going to work with any device. First impression, I like the build quality. Yeah, but it's not about build quality, it's about the function and the sound quality coming from the microphone. Like I did say earlier, all this audio is coming out of the microphone because I've connected it to the computer, and currently I'm recording my audio. So I'm going to remove the audio from the camera and replace it with this one on the microphone. So let's look for something here to play with. So this is the microphone, this is the iPad. As you can see, the distance is not too far. So what I want to do, I just want to launch GarageBand on the iPad, play some auto tune, like just some music, see how it's gonna pick it up. All right, that's the volume on 70, so I'm going to increase the volume to 100. Okay, that's it. So you guys will know, because I'm just recording, I haven't put it on the computer, so you guys will know if it does sound better or not. I don't know because I'm recording right now. So that's the sound recording. Like if you just want to record, see if you're in the studio or you want a microphone to pick. But this is not the best way to record. We all know that. So if the microphone can do a decent job from picking those audios from the iPad, I believe, why should anybody complain? There's no reason why you should complain. So now let's play back from the computer. Currently I'm recording on my computer right now, so all this audio is coming from the microphone because that's what I'm doing now. So all the audio now, you're listening to this audio directly from the microphone because I've connected the microphone to the computer, and then I'm recording via my laptop. So what I want to do next, I want to see how this microphone does pick sounds, like I'd love to do that. I like the build quality. This audio is on the microphone. Distance is not too auto. All right, that is the volume to 100. Okay, now I've listened to it, and I can tell you I'm quite impressed. I'm very impressed with this small piece of tech. I think it has a lossless noise. I can't see no noise. Maybe I'll be using this for my video henceforth. Maybe I'll be using this. It's very clear, at least from what I'm listening to. I haven't got my headphones on, so if I have the headphones on there, I should be able to tell you how crisp and clear it is. But from the computer and the father I can hear myself very clear, no problem. So I think on that note, I can't, there's nothing I can say, nothing more than to say this microphone live up to the task. This is the microphone, the Uhuru microphone. If I'm not making mistake with the brand name Uhuru, if you want to buy this microphone, you can check it out on Amazon. And for the price, I can't go wrong. You know what I mean? When I say I can't go wrong for the price, you won't go wrong with this microphone, with this device. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. I do appreciate your time. Bye. God bless.